So today I'm going to be making a dumbbell. Actually, I'm going to be making a concrete dumbbell using only cement. I have my metal. That one I got it at around 10k, but I know I think they cheated me, but okay, was my first time, and I'm going to be using this is sand. I put an equivalent. This is cement. I bought kilogram. Each is 1k, and of course, you need to be having this or anything you can use to mix. I'll be mixing using this. I'll be mixing, these are 2 kilograms. I'll be putting 1 kilogram in each of these buckets. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Plus water. That's, of course. Okay, you should know how to mix the cement plus the sand. So you first put the sand, then you put the cement at the top. Then I'll be showing you how to mix. I'm going to be putting a lot of cement because this will be, of course, be falling down to be being left outside and to do a lot of work. So you have to make sure it is kind of tough. I know it's a lot because okay, so you suppose like the same way you do while using a spade or a hoe. Just do this. That was my first mix, so I'll be doing this about 3 times until it's mixed well. So I'll be doing another pyramid. I'll just call it a pyramid for the sake of this video. Just be doing this. Remember to put it at the top so it slides by itself like this. You get, so it can mix easily. And as you can see, it's almost mixed up well. I'll only do one more time, or you can even add more cement, but this is enough. This should be working enough. So this is the last time I'm mixing. So after this, we'll be putting our water. The water part, since it's going to be so watery, I'm going to be mixing it from here, and after that I'll put in the bucket. And of course, what I didn't tell you is that we will need a Vera black polyphene. You'll see the purpose of it later. Okay, now I'll be adding water. I'll just add enough just to make it like wet. It's going to be wet cement. Can I say? It's going to be wet cement mix. So I think this is just enough. Remember not to put so much. Okay, just put I think the right amount. You should not go beyond this. It should be wet, but still it should be easy to carry on your trowel. Mix the water. So for the first, I'm going to be putting half of the bucket. Then I put in the metal. Then I'll put in later. Remember to shake it after you put, okay, so that it is all the spaces go out well when it sits. I'm not going to be putting any stones in this, but if you have the lake sand, it should be the better one, not the plaster sand, because lake sand has some small stones, but this is just the cement and this plaster sand. Wait just some little time. I put in the metal, then I will add the rest. Okay, it's been about a couple of like 8 hours plus. Okay, it's like 10 hours average, and this has dried up kind of well. So the next issue will be removing this. So what I'm actually doing is I carry this up, then I hit the bucket to go off. just hold this in, so I only hit the bucket. Okay, let me just try to record it for you. Yeah, horizontal. And this is our thing is this here. I hope that recorded up well. Okay, for this, it's kind of still wet, so I think I'll leave the green stuff on the polythene. So I'll be working on the other part until this dries up like for another 2 days. Then I'll remove it. I'll do some curing. Then I will start to use it. So I'm going to be doing a tricky part. I'm going to be doing the inverted one, upside down I mean, for this side. So I'll do the same process as yesterday, but the tricky part will be how to figure it out, because the upper part will be heavy, but no worry, everything is possible. Okay, now what I'm about to do is after pouring this out in, like the first one, I balance it in the middle. Then I made sure I get enough space from the wall to make sure it is balanced straight up, as you can see. But if you do not have such a, how do you call it, a kind of pavement, you can put something here so that this leans, but when it leans, it remains at least lined up straight. So I think that's the way to do it. I'll wait for it to dry out, then I'll be moving this after I think like 2 days. Yeah, so this is the final thing. It's called curing, cement curing. Every cement needs watering, so after you make this you need to pour water. Just now this one has swallowed kind of enough today, but you'll be doing this at least per day for something like a week or 2. I'll be doing this fresh one, and you see how it will be sucking the water. See, just like that. So you need to give it water so that it strengthens and also gains weight. I think you can hear that. So just need to put enough water, and I guess it's better to leave this in the buckets. So every time you put this down, okay, my water, I put hose down. Sorry, it's just passing through, but you can just do that so that this one gets some water. And this can protect it from whenever you hit it down, this can go off. This is cement, remember, so you have to be careful. It's not metal, you don't just hit it down. So that's it for this product, like with the product. Anyway, you can try this out, and it's kind of heavy. Yeah, it's good. I've tried it out and I've gotten some progress, so you can't see it. Bye bye.